To sell dropshipping products on a Wix store, you first need to understand what dropshipping is. Dropshipping is a retail fulfillment method where you, as an online store owner, do not keep the products you sell in stock. Instead, you partner with a supplier who ships products directly to your customers. The first step in selling dropshipping products on a Wix store is to create a Wix account and set up your online store. Wix offers a range of templates and drag-and-drop tools to make this process easy and straightforward. Once your store is set up, you need to find a supplier for the products you want to sell. You can use platforms like Salehoo or Worldwide Brands to find verified suppliers. After finding a supplier, you need to connect your Wix store to a dropshipping platform like Modalist or Oberlo. These platforms integrate with Wix and allow you to import products from your supplier and add them to your store. You can then set your prices and create product listings. When creating product listings, make sure to include high-quality product images and detailed product descriptions. You should also set up a payment gateway to accept payments from customers. Wix offers a range of payment gateways, including PayPal and credit card payments. To market your products, you can use Wix built-in marketing tools, such as email marketing and social media integration. You can also use external marketing platforms like Facebook ads or Google ads to reach a wider audience. Once you have set up your store and started marketing your products, you need to fulfill customer orders. When a customer places an order, you simply need to forward the order details to your supplier, who will then ship the product directly to the customer. Finally, to ensure the success of your dropshipping store, you need to provide excellent customer service and monitor your store's performance regularly. You can use Wix analytics tools to track sales and website traffic, and make data-driven decisions to optimize your store and improve sales. By following these steps and best practices, you can create a successful dropshipping store on Wix and start selling products online.